Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Glenda.
We are Herrons on the Fly. We first met when we were in high school a long time ago.
So we started full-time in 2018, and we sold our house and we're out on the road for about 5 years. And just last year we decided we needed a home base so we bought this little casita. Okay, so we're called Herrons on the Fly because we're flying in our RV, traveling in our RV. We love to fly fish, and I love to go birding. So I'm going to show you how to find those different topics in our YouTube channel. If you're only interested in birding or only interested in fly fishing, you can zero down on those videos. When you go to our YouTube channel, hit the playlist button and it will come up with our different playlists, so it's easier to find what you want to see. So there's RV living, maintenance and repairs, fly fishing, travel, and birding. So if you just want to look at the birding videos, you can pull those up and it lists all the ones that are available. So this year, we're excited about going out. We're going to try and hit all these states that we haven't gotten yet. So we'll only have Alaska left if we follow through with all our plans this year and nothing comes up.
Well, this thing is huge and there's all kinds of stuff to fix. And every time you turn around, you're working on something, because even though it's a great coach, you still got a lot of stuff to work on. Everything from tires to TVs to water systems to you name it, there's a ton of stuff to work on. I work on a lot of this myself. I do all sorts of things, from water pump changes to, well, you name it. So I'm getting ready to go through everything that we need to do to get out on the road. And again, we have a bunch of videos basically show what I do. Well, I think you ought to see how we actually live when we're on the road. This is a Tiffin 38 QRA. Oh, there's Glenda. Anyway, so as you come in through the coach, it is really, really nice. You have a full-size TV, and you have a refrigerator, and then of course you got a nice big sink, stainless steel stove, and we've got all kinds of stuff. And let's not forget the microwave, a big old microwave, and there's lots of cabinet space in here. And one of the things that we really do like, a washer and dryer, which is really awesome. And then, besides the washer and dryer, we've got a half bath. And as we walk back in here, we've got another big old TV and a king-size bed. And then in the back, we have a full-size bath, big old shower. And in the back, we have a full-size closet, big old closet. So yeah, it's a very comfortable place to be. You know, we've learned a lot of things out on the road, and one of the things I think that's really important for us is motion is the potion. We just got to keep going.
Yes, you got to keep moving, learning new things, going new places, you know, when you can or if you can. But no matter how bad we feel or what aches and pains we have, we just keep moving. So we hope that, you know, we can inspire you to maybe pick up a new hobby like birding, or take that fly fishing trip that you've dreamt of your whole life and get out there.
Yeah, do something. Do anything. But just, the couch is not your friend.
Right. Or the recliner.
Or the recliner, yeah. So you just gotta stay active. I think that's the big takeaway here.
Yeah. We hope you join us. Like, share, and please subscribe. And we will see you hopefully on the road or out birding or out fly fishing.
Yeah, because this is going to be a big year, over 6,000 miles.
Yep.
So 6,000 miles, that's really something. So we're going to be out, and we're going to shoot a lot of video this year. So of our adventures and fishing and just all over the place. So we hope you'll come along with us. And like she said, like, share, and subscribe, because we are
Herrons on the fly.
Yeah, that's us.